Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please subscribe, comment, like and share. In this continuation, we'll dive deeper into the practical aspects of installing and optimizing your car equalizer for optimal sound quality. We'll discuss step-by-step installation procedures, adjustment techniques and expert tips for fine-tuning your audio system to suit your preferences. By the end of this segment, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and skills to harness the full potential of your car equalizer and enjoy a truly immersive audio experience on the road. Integration with existing audio components. Now, let's talk about integrating your new equalizer with your car's current audio setup. Connecting the equalizer with other components like amplifiers and head units is pivotal for seamless operation. Utilize RCA cables to link the equalizer between the head unit and the amplifier. Adjust the settings on each device to sync them harmoniously, ensuring a balanced sound output. By strategically placing your car equalizer and seamlessly integrating it with your existing audio components, you'll embark on a sonic quest that transforms your driving experience into a symphony on wheels. Real-world testing and results. In the realm of car audio enthusiasts, the debate over the impact of a car equalizer on sound quality is ever present. To shed some light on this topic, let's delve into real-world testing and results to uncover the tangible differences experienced by users. Comparison with and without a car equalizer. Imagine cruising down the road with your favorite tune playing. Now picture that same track coming to life in your car with the added enhancement of a car equalizer. The experience is nothing short of transformative. When put to the test, the difference in sound quality between a system with and without a car equalizer becomes truly palpable. With the equalizer fine-tuning frequencies and balancing audio output, the music gains depth and clarity that can make even the most discerning audiophiles nod in approval. Through side-by-side comparisons, users consistently report a richer sound profile, crisper highs, and deeper bass notes when the car equalizer is in play. It's not just a slight tweak, it's a game changer that elevates the audio experience to new heights. Testimonials and user experiences. To further amplify the impact of a car equalizer, let's turn to the testimonials and first-hand experiences of those who have embraced this audio enhancement. Car audio enthusiasts around the globe have shared their stories of awe and satisfaction upon integrating a car equalizer into their sound systems. From novice car audio enthusiasts to seasoned pros, the consensus remains clear. Installing a car equalizer results in a marked improvement in sound quality. Users have reported a more balanced audio output, reduced distortion, and an overall immersive listening experience that surpasses expectations. It's not just about turning up the volume, it's about unlocking the true potential of your car audio setup with the power of an equalizer. As these real-world tests and user testimonials reveal, the presence of a car equalizer can make a profound difference in sound quality, turning your everyday drive into a symphony on wheels. Final verdict. In wrapping up the discussion on whether a car equalizer truly makes a difference in sound quality, it's clear that the benefits it offers can significantly enhance the audio experience in your vehicle. Let's delve into the key advantages and considerations to help you make an informed decision. Summarizing the benefits. Installing a car equalizer can transform your audio system by allowing you to customize and fine-tune the sound output according to your preferences. With an equalizer, you have the power to adjust the audio frequencies to eliminate any distortions or enhance specific ranges, resulting in a more balanced and dynamic sound profile. This level of control can bring out the best in your music, ensuring every note is crisp and clear Whether you're a fan of thumping bass or crystal clear vocals, purchase considerations. When looking to purchase a car equalizer, there are several factors to keep in mind to ensure it not only meets your needs, but also integrates seamlessly with your existing audio setup. Consider the number of bands the equalizer offers, as this will determine the level of control you have over the sound frequencies. Additionally, compatibility with your car's audio system and ease of installation are key factors to consider. Opt for a quality brand known for reliability and durability to ensure long-term performance. While a car equalizer does make a noticeable difference in sound quality, the extent of its impact ultimately depends on the quality of the device and how well it's integrated into your audio system. By choosing a suitable equalizer and understanding how to optimize its settings, you can unlock the full potential of your vehicle's sound system and enjoy a truly immersive audio experience on the road. In closing, the decision to incorporate a car equalizer into your audio system can indeed make a significant difference in sound quality. By fine-tuning the audio frequencies to suit your preferences and the acoustics of your vehicle, a car equalizer can elevate your listening experience to new heights. Whether you are a casual music lover or a dedicated audiophile, the added control and customization offered by a car equalizer can help you achieve the perfect sound balance on the road. So, if you're looking to take your car audio to the next level, investing in a quality car equalizer could be the key to unlocking a richer, more immersive sound experience every time you hit the road. As we conclude our series, we've explored the practical steps involved in installing and optimizing your car equalizer to achieve audio excellence. By following these guidelines, you can transform your audio experience and enjoy crystal clear sound quality on the road. Remember, mastering your car equalizer is an ongoing process, so don't hesitate to experiment with different settings to find the perfect sound profile for your vehicle. Thank you for joining us on this audio adventure, and may your journeys be filled with music that moves your soul. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.